Hello guys, welcome to my channel Eng.Sayyad Academy. Today we are going to check RX model front around view camera, how to inspect and how to replace the front camera assembly. Let's go to the vehicle. Let's check the camera. Okay, we come near to the vehicle now. We will check by connecting the scanner what is the fault inside the vehicle. Let's go inside the vehicle. हम लोग अभी स्कैन कर रहे हैं गाड़ी का मॉडल को अकॉर्डिंग टू द विन नंबर स्कैनर से और चेक करेंगे. And the complete vehicle identification, VIN identification. Now we will check the where is the fault is. Okay, we'll go now system selection or system scan. Now we scanned all the modules of the vehicle. It's completed scanning. Now we got which model has the fault codes inside. It is mentioned DMCIHU, infotainment domain controller. It has one fault code, that is the fault code B185213 AVM front camera LVDS cable open. So we will click on this. We will enter in the DTC. We'll see the fault code, read current fault code. This is the fault code. We will take the screenshot, this one. Okay, we will go back and go to read the history. No need to history. This is current fault code. Now we will see the data stream. We'll select all and okay. We'll see the current data stream. Complete sample. We will save sample. 0 RPM. Okay. Recording complete data. Done. Save. RX 2165. Okay, data saved fully, and go back. End session. Now we will start diagnosing according to this fault code. and with the help of electronic service manual provided by the manufacturer. Okay, let's go see in the manual what is the procedure of repair this fault code. Okay, let's go. We will open the front bumper assembly first to check the battery, so front camera wiring harness, it is intact or there is any break, and the connector is loose or fixed properly. Pause. Okay, this is the camera connector. We remove the bumper now. This is the camera connector inside here. Okay, it is fitted intact and the connectivity of camera is on the place, and there is no any here. We will see the continuity in the line now according to the manual now. Okay, we will see the continuity in camera wiring. Okay, it is showing 1.2 1.1 ohms. Okay, hold it properly.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
It's 0.
now it's 0. You can see 0. It means there is no continuity inside it. Okay, there has been maybe the cut inside the line of the camera break.
This is ground.
Yeah, lelo. The ground also in the circuit.
12 ground.
Yeah, 12 volt ground in the harness of the supply line in camera, front camera assembly, around wheel camera. This is supply. The first one is supply. I did not put.
لا هذه خطأ.
Reverse. Huh? This is the old part we remove from the vehicle. Okay, we check there is no continuity in the line of this camera. Okay, we see the straps fitting on the wire of the camera. It's more tight. It is breaking the insulation of wire. It means there is a cut inside the straps. Okay, that's why it is not showing 0 ohms coming. It means there is a open short inside the line. So we will see the new camera now. This is the old one. We will open the new camera. The new camera seems to be okay, all good, intact condition. We will see the camera pin inside. Yes, okay, there is no any foreign metal inside. Okay, we will fix the new camera now. In the camera now, the new camera fixing properly. And we are checking the continuity in new camera. It is showing 1.685 ohms. The old camera giving 0 ohms. The new camera is giving 1.6 to 7 ohms. Connecting to the connector. Yes, done. Now we will see the camera.
Okay.
Now we will start the car and see after fixing the new camera. Okay, now I will put reverse. The front visuals are clear now. Before there is the warning and the black screen. Now camera visuals of front available now. Okay, it means the faulty is camera. Yes, we finished fixing the new camera assembly. Now we will check the connecting scanner again, and we will erase the DTC code and check the camera visuals working properly or not. Let's go inside the car. Exit. Okay, now we will select the model code. This is T22RX. T22RX. There are two T22 model in RX. One is PHEV, one is normal IC engine. So this car is IC engine. Then I will select T22RX. The VIN number is 2165. It will read the data according to the vehicle identification number. Vehicle identification confirmation finished. Now we will go to system scan. Okay. Now it will read the all vehicle control modules. If there is any DTC code, it will appear in red. Okay, there are two fault codes showing now. These are left headlamp and right side headlamp. This fault codes are showing because we removed the front bumper and removed the connector. That's why it is showing. So we will do now clear DTC and rescan again all modules. Clear DTC. Yes. Okay. So we rescan or after erasing the DTCs. Now there is no DTC. All the DTCs are, all the control modules are in the green. It means there are no fault code inside the vehicle. So we fix new camera assembly, front around view camera. Now we will see the visuals by the camera by putting the gear reverse. I will remove this one here. I'll keep it here. Then I will fix the gear in reverse. Now visuals are clear. Now I will put in front camera. Yeah, the front camera visual is now clear. Before it was not showing anything, black screen is showing. After replacing the new camera, the issue got resolved. Okay, thank you. So for the next more diagnostic video, please subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the further more videos.